Hey guys, welcome back to our news food hill. I'm so glad having you back again today. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple and easy recipe. I'll be showing you how to make falafel. Falafel is a Middle Eastern dish and it is usually made with chickpeas. I'm using dried chickpeas and I'm going to start by soaking my chickpeas. So this is 1 cup of chickpeas. I'm just going to add water to it to fully cover all the chickpeas. I'm just going to set it aside and leave it to rest for 24 hours. You can soak yours for 12 hours, but I'm going to soak mine for 24 hours. So guys, after soaking my chickpeas for 24 hours, they have become swollen and they've actually doubled in size. So all I'm just going to do, I'm going to drain the water out. Just going to pass this over a strainer and I'm going to rinse this under running water. Next, I'm going to bring my chickpeas into the blender. Be sure to use dried chickpeas and not canned chickpeas so you get the best results at the end. This is because canned chickpeas are very soft and they may not yield the best result of falafel. So right away, I'm just going to process these. Once I've blended my chickpeas into a rough paste, just like this, I'm going to start adding in onion, just a little bit of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of ground coriander, half teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can use chickpea flour. 1 bunch of fresh parsley. This is roughly chopped. And half bunch of fresh cilantro. You can simply use only parsley or you combine both parsley and cilantro. After adding all my ingredients, I'm going to blend into a semi-smooth texture. After blending this to this point, I'm just going to stop and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sorry, I forgot to add that earlier on. And I'll keep blending. So guys, once my falafel mix is finely ground, I'm just going to transfer it into a bowl. Once I've emptied this into a bowl, I'm just going to use a spoon to level the top. Next, I'm going to wrap this up with a cling film and then I'm going to place this in the fridge for 2 hours. If you're making this today, it's best you prepare this a day before so that you don't have to rush the process. So now I'm just going to leave it to rest for the flavor to be released. So guys, I just took this out after 2 hours from the fridge and this is the texture you're looking for. Once your falafel mix is refrigerated, it's very easy to mold this into some small balls. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to scoop this into my hand. Just make sure the sizes are equal. Then I'm just going to mold this into small balls like this. And then I'm going to drop it in a dish. You can dip your hand in a bowl of water to make the process very easy. Once I've molded the mix into small balls like this. It's time to deep fry them. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to drop the balls into it. Just make sure you're gentle with the process so you don't burn yourself during this process. After a few minutes of frying the balls, I'm just going to flip them over to the other side to fry as well. Once your falafels are golden on the outside, you can take them out of the oil and leave them to drain on a paper towel. Now I'm going to continue with the next batch. So guys, your falafel balls are ready. You can choose to enjoy your falafel as it is, or you can stuff it in pita buckets just like this and drizzle some tahini sauce over it. It's really delicious. So guys, I would love to show you how delicious this looks like. I love this. Can you see that? It looks really amazing and it tastes so good. I hope you are inspired to replicate this recipe. It's something you really liked. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate your presence here. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. You can share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye for now.